Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically enable this one thing to prevent lagging while you are editing videos. It is actually super simple. You're not going to click on anything. If you're clicked on a clip, just click on the timeline here, and as you can see, the proxy is turned off and you're going to want to enable that. So go to modify here, go to performance and enable proxy, and here you can select the resolution. You can go to 540p if it's lagging that bad. What it means is basically it's just making the media player, like playback, look not as high quality as it is, but that's just gonna help you prevent lagging while you're editing your videos. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!